Hey guys, what's up? This is Kevin with the Salty Catch. We are out here in beautiful Orange County, California. We're gonna do some surf fishing today. Check it out, see what happens. What do we got, you guys? What do we got, you guys? We got something on here. Look at this. What do we got? Let's bring her out and see. Just like that, you guys. Easy as pie. There it is, you guys. We got ourselves, it looks like it's either a stingray or a little guitar fish. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Let's bring this bad boy out here so we can take a look at it. Let's take a look at this bad boy. That is how it is done, you guys. They're definitely out here on squid. They're getting caught all day long, these bad boys. Check it out, you guys. Right there. Nice little guitar fish. That's how it works. Again, you guys, this is on my improved Carolina rig right there with the guitar fish on the improved Carolina rig, you guys. You see how easy that is? Let's go. All right, you guys, that is going to do it for us today. We had so much fun today. We used the improved Carolina rig. We caught the guitar fish with it. Proven method, it works. We had so much fun. Beautiful day out here in Orange County, California, as you can see, and we're definitely going to be back and have a lot more fun together. So again, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.